Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Alaska RC Adventures. Today we're working on the Scx10. We were outside playing with it because the snow has disappeared. I don't know, can you see out the window? No. The snow's gone away and climbing up a little rock in the backyard, and it flipped over backwards, and then when it landed on its tires, it caught traction. Now it's still on the throttle. And now it's making some weird noises. Let's check it out. Alright, so we got it on the bench here. So what's happening is I think it's the, I want to say pinion gear? I'm not sure. The spur gear. Maybe that's what it is. But any kind of throttle you give it, it just slips. Sounds like it stripped out the gear in there pretty much. So we'll just start by disconnecting the battery, turning it off. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. So what I'm hoping is these three, there's three Allen heads. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one underneath here. I'm hoping that will pop off this cover, and then we can see inside here to the gear and see if we can't get it fixed up. Okay, just got that last screw out. Let's see if it comes off. There we go. Pops right off. Nothing in there. The gear actually doesn't look too bad. Isn't it supposed to do something when you spin that? Well, what it looks like to me is that no movement. So what we're going to have to do is take the front drive shaft off, the rear and the front, and remove the whole transmission and everything and break the case. So I'll get it out. So after you get the set screws out of the drive shafts, there's two of them. There's 4 screws on the bottom, and then the transmission pretty much falls right out. So all you're left with now is you're just going to have to disconnect the wires here. So you'll have to cut the zip tie and then just unplug it. And then we can take off the motor. Maybe don't even have to take off the motor, but might just take it off to get it out of the way. And you're going to have to take out these screws to be able to split the case and see, because almost guarantee there's a gear that's stripped in here, without a doubt. Okay, we got this taken apart here. So this is the gear that comes from the motor from the, I think it's this, what is it, the slipper clutch gear. And then, so this is a metal gear. And then this is the gear that transfers all the power from that to the wheels. It's okay looking until you get right there and it's completely smooth. So it looks like when the truck landed, the torque and then the sudden traction just rounded it off. So we'll have to go and get a new gear, or it might be easier or cheaper just to buy the whole transmission. I'm not sure, but alright, we'll make a video of putting it back together.